Welcome to a new video of the Parts channel. Well, I'm going to make a short video answering a question that you have left me, about a vehicle, that the engine stops. Tries to restart the engine, starts the engine and it doesn't start. On the other hand, if you wait a while it starts. Let's see. The question is, I have a problem with the Mahindra, when I turn it off it doesn't start. I have to leave it for a while and then it starts. Let's see, there the fault will come from the camshaft sensor, which would be the CMP sensor. This piece, when it starts to fail, you are driving. Even if it is failing, there is usually no major problem in most vehicles, except for sporadic cases. But when you stop the engine, with the engine hot, you turn the contact to try to start the engine and it won't let you start, turn on. Instead, if you wait a while, when the engine is cold, the part is cold, the sensor has already cooled down, it lets you start. Then, I'll leave you a link to a video I made, a long time ago. A very simple check of the camshaft sensor. On the other hand, if the crankshaft position sensor fails, the CKP, if this sensor fails, you are driving the vehicle and the vehicle can stop, perfectly. You are driving and it stops, then, you try to start again and the vehicle does not start, that is, the engine does not start, you wait a while and it starts. There. What has happened, is that the engine has cooled and the part, that is due to some dilations that occur within the winding of the sensors when they begin to fail. Okay, as I say, there is the proof. It is a video that I made, which would serve, both for one and for another, which consists of cooling the part and installing it immediately, and if you see that it starts, well, you already know where the problem comes from, that this part has to be changed. Well, I hope that this video has clarified any doubts, and if so, do not forget to give a like and subscribe to the channel.